inside the ceiling. I mean, not ceiling. Inside a window box. Let's see. Real nice bees. That's a new colony. You can tell that white honeycomb. There's where they are, under this window. I've got my cage ready to catch the queen, and the customer is sitting out there watching for a little while. She's back in the house now. There they are. Well, they had me fooled. I cut a hole over there, and I cut another hole over there and there, looking for them, and because they were going in both sides of the window. I thought it was two colonies, but it's just one new colony. And there they are.